Amici miei, buongiorno. Another day here in Istanbul, Turkiye or Turkey, as you wanna call it. And as I told you yesterday, probably from another episode, I broke the zip of the luggage here, as you can see. So we need to go and find someone to repair this. It's like 8 in the morning, 9. I have to check 9 a.m. in the morning. I hope something is open and they will do it fast. Join me on this adventure. I really hope to fix it because I don't know how to do with this, you know, because I will not have space. I have only half of the luggage otherwise. Okay, amici miei, let's try to be fast here. We have a lot to discover. Oh boy, luggage fell. I saw some options on Google Maps, but it just gave me very far, so I don't know. I think there are some shops just close by, and we're gonna check those ones. Oh, I forgot the cash. You know what? Let me just take it now, because probably they do it on the spot, so we save time. Oh man, what an adventure. Ooh. Amici miei, slightly cloudy today. Wow, okay. Didn't expect this. It was forecasted sun. How about this guy here, just right here? You think he can fix this? No. No. Can you fix the luggage? Zip inside, you fix? Repair. It's broken. Ah, okay. Thank you. Whew. I don't know if it will rain today. Looks like. I already felt some drops, guys. This will ruin definitely our plan if it's gonna rain. I really hope not. Good night.
Günaydın.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Good, sir.
Yeah, it's all good.
Open.
I got all good. I have a problem with the luggage. The zipper inside is broken. Where can I...
problem?
Yeah, where I repair?
What problem?
Here. Yeah, is a place to repair?
Bir dakika
LG,
bakayım.
LG zaten kırılmış burada atıyor.
Change that, yeah.
Çekecek yeni sütak oldu.
Ha tamam problem yok.
I want to change that.
Hava şu.
Dur bir dakika.
Is there a place to repair? No, zero.
Tamam problem
Bir daha.
Fazla yük bıraktım.
Looks good.
Onların this problem. Geliyor böyle
Yeah.
bak. Onları
I
geliyor.
will go to there to look for a place. Probably they change it. It's here someplace. I don't know. Let's see.
Just a minute. $15.
Yeah, 200. 200. We're finding a solution, guys.
Şöyle bir düğüm atacağız.
Turkish.
Yeah, Turkish man. Mi Albania.
Arnavut.
Thank you, thank you. Where is a chai? A chai for you. Where is it? Chai for you. Chai. Something to drink. Where is it?
Thank you. Bye. Maden Turkey.
Yeah, it's Turkish this one? I didn't know. I think yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right, guys. You see? So such a good people to repair. Very, very nice. Let's go to this place to fix. Actually fix it better because of course this is a temporary solution which can last, but still I don't know. All right, I see this place here where there are a lot of luggages. Günaydın. Can you fix problem?
Which problem?
Problem inside, zipper inside. I have the zipper, this one, broken. All right, the gentleman couldn't fix it. So let's see if we find another place, otherwise we just keep that temporary solution and that's it, guys. Amici miei, I think actually I found something and it's 8 minutes from here. We need to go up actually, this way. Whew. Uphill. Let's go. I don't know how to keep you guys because I got my phone on the same end of the camera, so 8 minutes should be alright, 500 meters. I hope it's not expensive, this one, because might as well buy a new one. It's 15 euros. They asked me like 10 euros. But I like this one. I'm affectionate about this luggage. So yeah, I don't know. Alright, we are just close to the university, guys. Whew, I'm out of breath. Very steep this road. Anyway, 4 minutes from here, in the central zone. Look, where we went yesterday, in the Sultanahmet zone here. Let's go now and see if this gentleman can repair it. Amici miei, should be just somewhere here. Uğur Çanta is written. So I don't know if we can cross right here. Yes, I guess we can. Everyone is doing it. Oh, Leo. There is the police coming there. Okay, where is this guy? Uğur Çanta. Wow, they're washing the floor here actually. Should be on this way. Brother, Uğur Çanta. Uğur Çanta. Uğur? Apparently it's this way. They make burek here. Might as well indulge after, guys. What do you think?
Başka bir kasyoda pil var.
Oh boy, I think we lost, guys. Wait a second. I think we lost it. It's this one, probably. No. Uğur Çanta. Uğur Çanta. Uğur Çanta. This one.
Make it
No, I need to zipper to repair.
zipper. Upstairs. For upstairs.
How I go upstairs?
Here.
Ah, thank you. Thank you, sir. So he's upstairs, guys. Oh, man. Whew, I'm all sweaty, guys, already. Oh, apparently he's upstairs, but I see the shops there. Is it here? Where is it? We go upstairs, though. I think from the same stairs that we took. Oh, boy. Whew. Good morning from Istanbul, guys. Oh, boy, third floor. Uğur Çanta, here we are. Günaydın. I have a problem with zipper inside.
O no. Ha şu mu?
You can change? I think we can change it, guys. Amazing. Problem this. This all problem.
Ha, arkadan açıyor mu?
Problem all. Gonna put a new one, guys. I think we repair it, guys. The gentleman will put some solvents there. Oil. Really professional. Done. Thank you. Thank you. Let's close it, guys. So glad, guys, that we fixed one problem. Such a professional guy. Wow. Let's go down now. Let's see to. Thank you. Let's see if we can grab some chai. Actually, I don't feel to eat, but we can grab a chai just close by. And I noticed we are close to the market. So I'm thinking, I'm trying to not fall here, guys. I'm thinking to buy some tea on our way home. So to bring it home, some original Turkish tea. I saw a chai place somewhere here. All good, sir. Thank you. Thank you. This place. How about this place? We get some chai here. Hello. Good evening. Chai. Thank you. Let's order some chai, guys. Let's see. And here is the chai, guys, in a traditional place. How good does this look? Fantastic. It looks like the kitchen of someone inside here. I love it. Real traditional place. Very, very good this chai, guys. I told you, feels like the kitchen of your own here, and I love it. I love this vibe, this traditional vibe. Feels like home. Oof, very good. And look how close is this, guys. I love it. Oh my god. Can he fit? Yes, he can. Of course, he does this every morning. Love it. All right, amici miei, let's not forget the luggage and let's go. Ciao. Let's go, guys. Whew. We took everything. Yes, we took the phone. Now back to the hotel. We take the bags and we start our journey, guys. What do you think about that? Oh man, so happy that we fixed that issue with the luggage. Really fantastic. Okay, I will not put Google Maps now because I remember more or less the roads until a certain point. Then of course we need to put it, otherwise we're gonna get lost, guys. I discovered because a gentleman spoke there how it's called Albania in Turkish, because he asked me, where are you from? I said I'm from Albania in Italy. And they told between each other, sorry, Arnavut or something. I understood that was the name of Albania. Alright, amici miei, the sun is out, so we can't complain. It is slightly windy, more or less like yesterday, so it won't be super hot today, thank God, because when it's super hot here, it really kicks hard, you know, and it's really very hard to go around if there isn't some wind. No more clouds, they disappeared, so really good. I can recognize our streets miles away, guys, because it's the steepest one. Now, thank God, we're going downhill. So this way, because the gentlemen are working there. Oh boy, I left this to charge, guys, but of course I took like the card from tenant. There was no electricity. Oh man, I forgot about it, really, totally. Yeah, let's wait 5 minutes and then we go out. Alright, amici, I think we took everything, so we're ready to roll. Vamos.